PBA quarterfinals na, NLEX kontra TNT, and off to a good start yung Road Warriors as Caddy Lane attacks the defense of Bol Bol for the opening points of the game. Pero syempre yung TNT well settle pa rin sa kanilang import. Maalat lang yung start, though alam nating hindi to habang buhay, but good defense by NLEX. Tas magiging weapon ng NLEX yung kanilang outside shooting. Here, Semerad hits one from the corner. And ayun na agad, Bol Bol attacks 2 points. Pero bawing-bawi ng NLEX sa kanilang hustle eh. Dito after ng Mintes, grabe yung save ni Semerad para mapunta kay Caddy for the 3-point shot. Ayun lang talaga yung kulang sa TNT, and NLEX will rely on that aspect of the game. Tingnan nyo si Bol Bol. Wala eh, titingnan niya lang yung kanyang matchup. Tumira na naman sa outside, pasok para kay Lane. Time out ang TNT, and sabi dito ni Coach Shot, puntahan kung sino yung tao ni Bolik. Pero hindi naman yun nasunod eh. But Jason Castro can do the right things kapag nasa loob siya. Here, pag siya yung nagtitiwala si Bol eh. 4-point shot para sa kanya. Next possession, siya pa mismo magsaset ng screen para si Castro yung may hawak eh. PNR tapos Bol Bol going all the way and one. And wala ka talaga magagawa sa defense kapag nag-decide si Bol na mag-create tapos may space. Ayun na lang din yung gagawin ng other TNT players eh, mag-spread ng floor. Though tabla lang naman after dahil sa hot shooting ng NLEX. Cyrus Torres hitting 3-point shot, then tinapos ni Berto ang quarter to tie the ball game from the outside. In the second quarter, as the time goes by, magiging predictable talaga yung TNT kasi saan ba sila pupunta, diba? Eh di kay Bol Bol. So if you are in the wing tulad ni LJ, try to sneak and ayun, steal and a fast break points para sa NLEX. Maganda rin yung defense ng Road Warriors kay Oftana, pero makaka-basket pa rin siya dito from the 3-point shot. Imbes kasi na ma-frustrate si Calvin is naging kalmado lang siya. But then again, yung outside shooting ng NLEX is alive. This time, si Ramirez for the 3-point shot. And here, LJ is playing really well, attacking the closeout of Bol Bol for the easy layup. Tapos nagkaroon ng shootout bago matapos yung first half. Calvin Oftana hitting one from the corner, tapos binawi rin ni Torres sa corner din. Tapos magiging lesson to kay LJ na he needs to box out kasi naging way yon for second chance points. Napunta kay Oftana yung bola and ayun, 3-point shot na naman. Buti na lang talaga may bawi si LJ Good dito. 1-on-1 against Bol Bol and whew, what a move! 2 points! Lamang ng dalawa ang NLEX at the half. Actually, good showing for NLEX kasi despite na wala silang free throws tapos merong 22 yung TNT is nakapag-stay sila sa larong to. Reason being naman is yung kanilang 10 3-pointers kontra sa 4 lang ng TNT. Tsaka hindi rin pala attack masyado yung NLEX because of the presence of Bol Bol. In the third quarter, Berto will light up his fire after matawagan ng kanyang pang 4th foul, goes over the defense of TNT. Pero after a cold half sa TNT sa labas, Oftana and Pogoy hitting their outside shots para makuha na yung labang sa NLEX. And congratulations kay Jason Castro for hitting 10,000 points sa PBA. 2-time best point guard in Asia is one of one. And then magiging masakit to ng sobra sa NLEX dahil makukuha ni Berto yung kanyang pang-5 foul just to end the third quarter. Sa endgame, 10-point lead for TNT pero natapyas dahil sa outside shooting ni Cyrus Torres at Shawnee Winston. Pero the big possession, Winston on transition, umalog yung board but no whistle. Tapos natawagan pa si Bolik ng kanyang pang-6 na foul. Nireview pa nila to pero no goaltend daw. Kahit sa replay kita nating umalog yung board. And ang masakit, walang Bolik sa clutch. Without him, Winston tried his best. Attacks the rim for the end one. Tapos nakakuha pa siya ng take foul kay Bol Bol. Tapos 'di ba? May rule sa PBA na pag hawak yung bola tapos dead ball situation, bawal kunin ng other player. Search nyo yan and na-content ko rin yan before. Pero no technical kay BGR. And ayun na nga, without Bolik, naging mahirap sa NLEX yung clutch. LJ was forced to take a long shot wide. And then nagkaroon pa ulit sila ng chance after nung turnover ni Jason Castro. They went to Winston, good execution by NLEX. Tira naman talaga to ni Winston, Mentes lang. So GG's magkakaroon ng do or die games. Ayun. Hey,